Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever been frustrated by a robot vacuum that constantly gets stuck under your sofa or leaves a dusty ring around your dining room table, you might want to pay attention to the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2. I have been putting this thing through its paces for the last few weeks, and while it is undeniably one of the most advanced cleaners on the market, it is not without its quirks. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or find its current price if you want to follow along with the specs as we go. Let's start with the physical design because that is where the Qrevo Edge 2 really separates itself from the pack. The biggest selling point here is the 3.14-inch height. Most high-end robot vacuums are bulky because of the LiDAR turret on top, which prevents them from getting under lower furniture. Roborock solved this with their RetractSense system. The sensor actually retracts when the robot detects it is heading into a low-clearance area. In my testing, this worked flawlessly. It slid under my bed and a low-profile media console that my previous robot simply refused to touch. It feels like a genuine upgrade in utility rather than just a marketing gimmick. The cleaning performance is equally impressive, specifically regarding the FlexiArm technology. We have all seen robots that claim to clean edges, but this one actually extends the side brush to hit those corners. I watched it maneuver around my kitchen island, and it reached into the toe kick area with surprising precision. The 25,000 Pascal suction is, frankly, overkill for a standard apartment, but if you have high-pile carpets or pets that shed heavily, you will definitely notice the difference. It pulls hair out of rug fibers that I thought were already clean. The mopping system is also a significant step forward. The 8N downward pressure isn't just a number on a spec sheet. It actually helps with dried-on kitchen spills. I tested it with some coffee stains that had been sitting for a few hours, and it managed to scrub them away in one pass. The dock is the real hero of the daily routine, though. The 176-degree Fahrenheit hot water wash for the mops is a game changer for hygiene. It prevents that sour, mildew smell that older mop robots tend to develop after a week of use. The warm air drying is quiet enough that it did not disrupt my home office setup, which is a big plus. Now, we have to talk about the AI and navigation. The Reactive AI obstacle recognition is generally very good. It successfully avoided a stray sock and a charging cable during my tests. However, it is not infallible. Like almost every robot vacuum with a camera, it can occasionally get confused by mirrored surfaces or very dark, reflective furniture legs. It is smart, but you still need to keep your floor relatively clear of tiny, unpredictable objects if you want a perfect run. One area where I think some users might feel a bit of disappointment is the app experience. The SmartPlan 3.0 is incredibly feature-rich, which is great if you love customizing every aspect of your cleaning, but it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. There is a learning curve to setting up the specific room cleaning strategies and schedules. If you're the type of person who just wants to press a single button and walk away, you might find yourself underutilizing the actual power of this machine. Also, keep in mind that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If your home network is strictly 5 GHz or if you have a complicated mesh setup, you might run into some initial connection headaches. When it comes to value, this is an expensive piece of hardware. You are paying a premium for the low-profile design and the advanced dock features. If you live in a home with lots of low-clearance furniture and you hate manual maintenance, the cost is justified because it genuinely saves you time and frustration. However, if you live in a wide-open studio apartment with high-clearance furniture, you are probably paying for features you won't fully leverage. You could likely find a more basic model that handles the floor space just as well for significantly less money. Ultimately, the Qrevo Edge 2 is for the person who wants a set-it-and-forget-it solution and has the budget to pay for the best engineering currently available. It is powerful, it is quiet, and the edge cleaning capabilities are genuinely the best I have seen. Just be prepared to spend some time in the app getting your settings dialed in, and make sure your Wi-Fi is ready for it. If you want to see if this fits your specific floor plan or check out the current pricing, don't forget to look at the links below the video. It is a fantastic machine, but it is definitely a high-end investment that is best suited for those who really value that extra bit of specialized performance.